guys and gals, Gearheadgirl here. Today we're going to switch out our stock fan with this new Gktech fan for more improved airflow. We will show you the sound difference because I know some of you were concerned about the sound difference between what it sounds like stock and what it sounds like with our nice new Gktech fan. So here's what it sounds like before with the stock fan. The original old fan and the new Gktech fan. So we want to make sure you install it this orientation or else everything will explode and die. So now we've got our nice new GK fan installed and you'll be able to hear what it sounds like. So there you have it. We've taken out our old stock fan, replaced it with a new Gktech fan. So thank you for watching this episode of Gearheadgirl. And if you want a more detailed how-to video of how to install your Gktech fan, please check the description or the link below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com or follow us on Instagram at Gearheadgirl69.